Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am showing you my pumpkin tree. See how nice my pumpkin tree is growing. Friends, today I am going to make a recipe. So come on, I will show you what I am going to make. Today I am going to make red pumpkin. This is red pumpkin and this today I am going to make sabji. For this I am going to use ginger, garlic and dhania. This I am going to grind it along with the ginger. So I will put this ginger into this and grind it all together. So while making the recipe I will show you the other ingredients what I am going to make. If you are new to my channel, please comment, share, like, subscribe. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put in the mustard oil. I have taken some panchphoran. This I will put in the oil. Now I will put the red pumpkin in it. I will fry the red pumpkin a bit. Friends, I have fried up the red pumpkin little bit. Now I will put in all the masalas. First I'll put in some turmeric powder. I have made the paste over here with ginger, garlic and some dhania. This I will put in. Put some chili powder. I will fry the masala with the red pumpkin. Put some salt to taste. Friends, the red pumpkin and the masala is frying nicely. Frying nicely, you can see it. Now I will add some water. You can add some kasuri methi also in it, but I am not going to put kasuri methi. I will let it be plain like this. Today this pumpkin recipe will have gravy in it. I won't make it dry. I will leave some gravy. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, you can see the pumpkin, how nice it's cooking. I will keep the gravy. So much I will keep the gravy. The pumpkin recipe is ready. Friends, today I made the pumpkin recipe very simple. You can see it. This also will be very nice to eat with the rice and rotis. I hope you all will like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video.